Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So students, let's start our maths work. Open your math books. Page number is 7. As you know, you write your date and day on the top of your page, so the date should be on the left side and the day should be on the right side of your book. Today our topic is subtraction. Subtraction means to minus, to deduct or to decrease. इसका मतलब ये है कि हम सब्ट्रैक्शन में एक नंबर में से दूसरे नंबर को निकाल देते हैं, कम कर देते हैं या घटा देते हैं. टेकिंग अवे अ नंबर फ्रॉम अनदर नंबर, यानी एक नंबर में से दूसरे नंबर को निकाल देना, इज कॉल्ड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर मैथ्स वर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. यूज द नंबर लाइन टू हेल्प यू सब्ट्रैक्ट. नंबर लाइन को यूज़ करते हुए वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो क्लास, इन योर प्रीवियस लेक्चर you will do addition by using the number line, but in these questions we will do subtraction using the number lines. You know class, in addition you will move forward spaces. It means you will jump forward, but in subtraction using number line you will jump backward spaces. So let's start our work. A part is 7 minus 5. It means we will jump backward. You will put your finger or pencil on number 7 and move backward 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps कर ली हमने backward and you will reach on number 2. It means your answer will be 2. Write 2 in this box. Question number 2. B part, 8 minus 4. It means you will put your pencil on number 8 and move 4 spaces backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. After jump backward 4 spaces you will reach on number 4. So it means your answer will be 4. So you write 4 over here like this. Next, C part, 8 minus 1. It means you put your pencil on 8 and move just 1 space backward. After jumping one number you will reach on number 7. It means your answer will be 7. You write 7 over here. D part, 4 minus 3. It means you put your pencil on 4 and move 3 spaces backward. 1, 2, 3. So you reach on 1. So your answer will be 1. Next, 9 minus 6. It means you put your pencil on 9 like this and move 6 spaces backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After jumping backward, you will reach on 3 and your answer will be 3. Next, 7 minus 3. It means you put your pencil on 7 and move backward 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. After jumping 3 backward spaces, you will reach on 4. So your answer will be 4. Next, 8 minus 5. It means you put your pencil on 8 and move backward 5 spaces. 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will reach on 3. So your answer will be 3. Write your answer in the box. Next, H part, 10 minus 7. It means you put your pencil on 10 and move backward 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After jumping 7 backward numbers, you will reach on 3. So your answer will be 3. Very good class. Understand one class? So one class, your homework is question number 2. You write date and day on the top of question number 2 and do very neat homework from A to I part. Okay class, आगे बढ़ते जाओ, रुकना नहीं. Take care. Allah Hafiz.